Hey all, it's Howie here. Welcome back to Howie First. I have a quick update on Lulu price target from technical analysis point of view. So let's look into it. All right, this is Lulu stock chart. Like I said, the earning is coming up here on September 4th, 2025, period ending July 2025. The estimated earning is 2.857 and the revenue is estimated to be $2.54 billion. What I have here is the fib drawn from the COVID low all the way to this high, and it tried to pierce this high once over here and then twice over here. If the earning go really bad, I think the price right now is at $202. If the earning go bad, it might go to this line over here at $183. And if the earnings go well, it might try to pierce this line, the red line over here at $211, and it might go all the way to $262 if it pierces the red line, and it will try to test this orange line. And if you see this orange line, it dates all the way back to the COVID high right before everything shut down. However, if you know the tariff is been impacted a lot of the producer, right? If things go really bad due to tariff, since we just got the PPI number came in hot in the past few weeks, I assume it's going to affect Lulu as well. If that happens and the earning is really really bad, it might go all the way to the COVID low at $130. However, $130, if you see the current price is at $200, that's like $70 price drop. That's 35%. If it's 35% drop, that means the P drop from 14 right now and it's all the way to only 9x multiple. So that's kind of too far fetched. I do not foresee that the company is going to experience the COVID um, drama here. So, um, but you never know, right? So if it does happen, then I'm going to load it up at $130, which I don't think if it goes all the way that low, it's just going to be the market reaction, not what actually happened in the fundamental. That's why going into the earning is really important to dissect the earning itself. Hey, if you haven't seen my Lululemon deep dive video, the link is going to be up here somewhere. Make sure you watch it before the earnings. That's it, y'all. It's just a really quick update on the upcoming Lulu earnings. I'll see you on the next video.